Google Analytics 4 is essential for understanding website performance. It helps beginners transform raw data into actionable insights, driving growth and informed decision-making. By mastering its fundamentals, users can effectively track metrics, analyze user behavior, and optimize digital strategies for better outcomes. Google Analytics offers real-time tracking, allowing businesses to monitor website traffic and user behavior instantly. This enables immediate responses to trends and opportunities. By transforming metrics into strategic insights, it empowers data-driven decisions for measurable growth. Additionally, it provides powerful, enterprise-level analytics capabilities for free, forming a crucial foundation for any digital marketing strategy. Google Analytics 4 is a revolutionary update, replacing Universal Analytics in July 2023. It offers an event-based data model for detailed tracking, machine learning for predicting user behavior, and cross-platform measurement. Enhanced privacy controls align with modern regulations, and it integrates seamlessly with Google Tag Manager for efficient implementation. Google Analytics operates through a JavaScript snippet embedded on each web page, collecting user interaction data. Browser cookies store details like page views and session duration. This data is securely transmitted to Google's servers, where it's processed and analyzed, resulting in detailed reports that provide insights into user behavior and website performance. To set up your Google Analytics 4 property, first navigate to the admin section of your Google Analytics account. Create a new Google Analytics 4 property, entering your business details and time zone. Next, configure a web or app data stream to start data collection, which will generate your unique measurement ID for tracking purposes. Google Tag Manager centralizes tracking codes, eliminating direct website code changes. It allows updates without developer help, offers version control, and includes debugging tools. To implement, create a Google Tag Manager account, install the code snippet, add a Google Analytics 4 configuration tag with your measurement ID, set the trigger to all pages, and use preview mode to validate data flow. The GA4 configuration tag in Google Tag Manager uses the Google Analytics GA4 configuration type with a measurement ID. Set the trigger to all pages and configure parameters like send, page, view, true, and cookie flags. Same site equals none secure. This connects your site to GA4, allowing for additional event tags to track interactions. Key Google Analytics 4 reports include traffic acquisition, revealing visitor origins like organic search and paid ads. Engagement Overview analyzes page interaction and user engagement duration. Retention Analysis tracks new versus returning users, while Demographics provide insights into age, gender, and location. Device Category compares performance across mobile, desktop, and tablet for optimization. The Traffic Acquisition Report highlights that organic search is the primary traffic source, indicating effective SEO strategies. Direct and social channels follow, while referral, email, and paid search lag behind. To optimize marketing efforts, consider reallocating resources to enhance performance in these underperforming channels with potential for growth. GA4's event-based model shifts focus from sessions to events, enhancing tracking flexibility. Events fall into 4 categories: automatically tracked, enhanced measurement, recommended, and custom. Automatically tracked events include page view and session start. Enhanced measurement covers scrolls and video engagement. Recommended events like login and purchase are industry standards. Custom events align with specific business goals. Mark valuable events as conversions to optimize goal completion rates. In GA4, tracking button clicks as events and marking them as conversions allows you to measure the effectiveness of calls to action. This month, 12,400 button click interactions were captured, with 8,250 unique users engaging. Notably, 1,847 conversions were completed, resulting in a 14.9% conversion rate, highlighting the value of strategic event tracking. Creating custom exploration reports allows for advanced analytics beyond standard reports. With a flexible drag-and-drop interface, you can visualize conversion paths, discover user navigation, analyze audience intersections, track user behavior over time, and calculate long-term customer value. These tools provide deeper insights into user interactions and behavior patterns. Analyzing the funnel visualization, we observe a significant 32% drop-off from the home page to the product page and a 37% abandonment rate at checkout. These insights pinpoint crucial areas for optimization, enabling targeted strategies to enhance user flow and reduce drop-offs, ultimately improving conversion rates. Utilize Google Analytics for data to optimize marketing spend by focusing on channels with the highest return on investment. Enhance user experience by identifying device-specific issues and engagement patterns. Increase conversions by tracking key events, analyzing funnel drop-offs, and refining user journeys systematically to maximize conversion rates. Create your Google Analytics for property in Google Analytics and configure data streams for your website or app. Deploy Google Analytics for via Google Tag Manager, ensuring proper configuration tags. Validate data flow using Debug View and Preview mode. Regularly review traffic acquisition, engagement, and conversion reports. Experiment with custom events and explore reports for deeper insights. Practice with Google's demo account for hands-on experience.